Hi friends, welcome to Rianza Bakes. Today I've come with an amazing bun recipe, the Mexican coffee buns or the Papparoti. This is a requested recipe and I'm so happy that I made it. It is so delicious, the crisp and crunchy coffee topping with the soft and fluffy bun, butter flavored bun. It's really delicious. You will really love this recipe. Please do try it. So let us see how to make these buns. For that, here I have taken 120 ml of milk and into this 1 teaspoon of vinegar and mix it well. In a bowl, we'll take 1 teaspoon of instant yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and the milk and vinegar mixture, we'll add this and mix it well. If you're using active dry yeast, allow this to activate and then add the flour. Into this we'll add 180 grams of flour, 1 tablespoon of milk powder and half teaspoon of salt and mix it well. Today we are using the kneading hooks to knead the dough. Before using the kneading hooks, don't forget to go through the manual of instructions and accordingly use it because each hand mixer is of different capacity. Now I am using it at high speed for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now the dough has become very soft. Now into this we'll add 2 tablespoons of butter, that is about 25 grams of butter. And then we'll again knead it till it becomes soft and elastic. We can also knead it by hands. Knead for about 15 minutes till it becomes soft and it passes the window pane test. Using the kneading hooks, we have to knead for about 5 to 7 minutes. Now the dough has become very soft. We'll use our hands to make a nice ball. You can see how soft it has become. When we extend and see, it is passing the window pane test. It is getting extended without tearing. So now we'll allow this to proof. Cover it with a cling film or a damp kitchen towel and allow it to rest till it doubles in size. Now the dough has doubled in size. We'll give it a short knead. Degas the dough and then we'll transfer it onto a floured surface and divide it into 6 equal portions. And we'll make tight balls out of this. Each ball is about 60 grams in weight. Tightly fold it inside and smoothen the surface. And keep it aside. We'll cover it and keep it for about 10 minutes. Now here I have taken 6 cubes of butter, which is about 4 to 5 grams. We can use salted or unsalted butter. Flatten each ball. See that the center is slightly thicker than the sides so that the butter doesn't ooze out. Leaving the center slightly thicker, we'll press the sides. Keep 1 cube of butter. Bring the edges together and close it and make it into a ball. Tightly pinch the dough and smoothen it. And we'll keep it onto a lined baking tray. You can line it with parchment paper or you can apply butter or oil on the tray and keep it directly on the tray. Now we'll allow this to proof till it doubles in size. Meanwhile, we'll make the coffee topping. Take 2 teaspoons of instant coffee powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cocoa powder, and about 1 tablespoon of hot water. Mix well. Take 2 tablespoons of butter, 4 tablespoons of sugar and powder it, and then add a pinch of salt and cream it well. When it turns light and fluffy, add 2 tablespoons of milk and mix well. Add the coffee. Mix well. After the coffee is thoroughly mixed into the butter sugar mixture, we'll add 40 grams of all-purpose flour or maida and mix it well. Now this is the consistency it should be. Now we'll take this into a piping bag. Or if you don't have a piping bag, you can also use a Ziploc bag and just make a hole in one corner, and we'll pipe this onto the approved buns. After piping the coffee topping, we'll bake these buns at 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes or till the buns are done. Now after baking, this coffee topping becomes nice and crisp. These buns are best when it is had warm because next day this coffee topping will become soft. The Mexican coffee buns are beautifully baked and it smells amazing. The crunchy coffee flavored topping with the butter flavored fluffy buns makes it really delicious. I'm sure you will like it. Do try the recipe. And I would love to know how it turns out. If you like the video, don't forget to press the like button and share it with friends and relatives. If you're new to my channel, do consider subscribing and press the bell icon to receive notifications for my new videos. Thank you for watching. See you with yet another amazing video. Bye.